As part of the modeling phase, you might need to perform some sort of requirements analysis modeling. Throughout this analysis modeling, you should focus on what, not how. This will allow you to focus on a level of abstraction that is useful in determining what needs to occur without being bogged down into the details. Some examples of what type of questions might be: what user interaction occurs? What functions must the system perform? What interfaces are defined to work with other components? And what constraints are present? We can never assume that we will always know everything, especially early on. However, we can approach this step in an iterative method so we can work on refining our model until everything is uncovered that needs to occur. This requirements analysis model should have three primary objectives. The first is describe what the customer requires. Second, establish a basis for the creation of the software. And finally, define a set of requirements that can be validated. Elements of an analysis modeling include class models. This is often done through a UML class diagrams and collaboration types of diagrams. Flow models. This is how the data is going to flow through the system. DFDs and various other data models will help us with this. Behavioral models. They will provide information as to how the operations will occur. In UML, you might use something like a state diagram or a sequence diagram. Scenario models will establish scenarios your end users will run into. Use case diagrams and user stories are used here. We're going to look at some of these examples in upcoming videos.